Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin. I am looking at the chart of Bitcoin right now, and it is not looking very good. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly why that is. Before I get into that though, I want to welcome all those who are new to this channel. Welcome, so happy to have you here. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make Bitcoin price prediction videos just like this. Most of my predictions are always accurate. So if you want to be getting first dips on that, then I will highly invite you to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And when you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you can get updated whenever I post the next video. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So right now I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame, and we can see here Bitcoin is currently trading at 44,300, and we have this 4-hourly candle here that recently just closed here. It closed at around 44,300, but this candle is extremely bearish. We had a huge sell-off in this candle here. And this is why I'm saying that it is not looking good for Bitcoin. And I'm going to tell you exactly why. Let's move back to the past year, okay? Every time you have to remember this, the Bitcoin always repeats itself, okay? When you see something that happens, you have to remember that it's going to repeat itself, okay? So if you look in this past patterns here, you'll see something similar that happened. So Bitcoin went to 45,600, and then what happened from there? It got rejected and crashed all the way to 43,000, and then it attempted again to go to 45,000. This time it went up a little higher, it went up to 45,847, but then it got rejected from there, and this rejection brought us all the way down to 41,000, okay? And we found support here, hung out here for a while, and then we attempted again to go back up. However, this time around, we weren't even able to make it to 45,000. Instead, Bitcoin just went up to 44,777, and then it got rejected there. And this rejection was huge. This rejection brought us all the way down to 36,000, guys. This rejection was so huge, but then Bitcoin managed to find support around the 36,000 price area, and then we hung out there for a while, and then we attempted again to go back to 44,000. As you can see, Bitcoin has been finding huge resistance between 44,500 and 45,500. Now Bitcoin is once again back to the 44,500 resistance. And what has happened ever since Bitcoin got there? The moment Bitcoin hit 45,000, it didn't even go all the way to 45,500, which is where I had predicted that the price would fall from there. It just went all the way to 45,142, and then from there it just started crashing. Now this is not good, because you can see in the past, the moment we got a bearish candle, a bearish candle from this resistance zone, okay, the price just started crashing significantly. And right now on this 4-hour time frame, we have the first bearish candle, which is telling us that there is a huge sell-off that is coming. You can confirm this by looking at the volume. Just look at the volume. If you compare the volume between this previous bullish looking candle that we had here with the recent bearish candle that we had here, you're going to see that the volume on the bearish candle is extremely higher than the volume on the bullish candle. So this is telling us that there are a lot of sellers that was hanging around this area waiting to sell off Bitcoin so that they can bring the price lower. And this is exactly what happened. Not only that, if you look at the RSI, you're going to see that Bitcoin is actually overbought on the RSI here. So this is another sign that the price should be moving back down, okay? This is a huge rejection right now we have received on the 4-hour time frame. And you know, just like in the past, whenever we got rejected around 45,000, we just crashed significantly. You know, it happened right here, and it happened again right here, and then right over here, the price just dropped. And so now that Bitcoin has got rejected from 45,000, I expect the price to drop. It might not drop as fast, you know, it's going to just be moving slowly down. And as it is dropping, we have a lot of support along the way. So right now, I'm not going to be looking for longing opportunities. Right now, I'll be looking for shorting opportunities, okay? And another thing I want to point out to you guys, why this is significant as well, is because we have this ascending triangle that has been formed, you know, on the daily time frame. This is what I'm looking at. Okay, this daily time frame, we've been in an ascending triangle, and you know, an ascending triangle can either break upward or it can break downward. So right now, Bitcoin, you know, on the 4-hour time frame, it attempted to break that ascending triangle, but instead it got rejected. Now, what I am watching for right now, though, is the daily candle. We have this daily candle that is yet to be closed. There's 7 hours left for this daily candle to close. So I am waiting to see whether this daily candle is going to close outside of this ascending triangle, or is it going to close inside of this ascending triangle. So to strongly confirm whether we're going to go down or not is to watch out for this daily candle. Okay, if this daily candle closes inside of this ascending triangle, which would be basically 44,300 approximately. So if this daily candle closes below 44,300, then this is a huge rejection. Okay, this would be seen as a huge rejection on the daily candle. However, if this daily candle ends up closing above 45,500, then this would be seen as a breakout, and I expect the price to start moving high. So right now, I would not do anything right now. I mean, you can still attempt to short the market. Definitely, you'll have more luck of making money by shorting the market right now than you will have from longing the market. Okay, right now I am looking for shorting opportunities, not longing opportunities. So yeah, guys, if we end up getting rejected here on the daily candle as well, then I expect Bitcoin to move all the way down. It's probably going to move all the way down, you know, to the previous support, which is like around 42,000. And then if we don't hold that support, then we're going to just keep falling all the way down. Now, the major support to watch out for here would be along this trend line here. So this purple line here. So this is where the huge support is. If Bitcoin just starts falling, once it hits this area here, obviously there's going to be huge buying pressure, which would obviously bring the price back up. I think this would be anywhere between 39,400 or around 40,500. These price levels are actually the huge areas of support. So if Bitcoin just starts crashing down, then I expect it to find huge support around this price level, and this should help push Bitcoin back up to hopefully break this resistance here at 45,500. But if we fail to hold this 39,400 support, then I believe we're going to just end up breaking out of this triangle, and you know, the price target would be like around 33,000 or even lower. All right, guys, so this is it for this analysis for today. If you find some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up, guys. This is going to really help the YouTube algorithm to push the video out so that more people can see it. And if you are not yet subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more videos like this. Make sure to also turn on your notification bell, okay? If you don't turn on your notification bell, you are not going to know when I post the next video. It's very important that you turn on your notification bell. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video.